to dream big and work hard. It's about showing that no matter where you start, you can always go further. To everyone here today, especially the younger generation, I want to say, don't wait to take control of your future. Whether you're aiming for a gold medal or financial security, it's always better to start early. With East West, natutunan ko kung paano magplano ng maayos para sa financial future ko. As I continue my journey in life and gymnastics, knowing that East West is behind me gives me so much confidence. Not just in my sport, but sa buhay ko rin. To East West, maraming salamat po ulit sa opportunity na ito. I'm honored to officially be part of the East West family.